Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and I am so freaking excited. We got a fire alarm today. There it is. I guess it doesn't say fire alarm on there. Anyway, so let's open this goddamn thing. I'm excited. It's from eBay, and yeah. So I'm not gonna look at this because, yeah. Oh my god, it feels nice. Anyway, so obviously it isn't open. Come on, the keys didn't come yet. I need a simplex V key for this. Yeah, I don't have a simplex V key. Anyway, I think I'm gonna get one. I might have one actually. Let me go look in the mail. Okay guys, this might be it, but I didn't have time to cross out all the names and stuff in my address. So it has a picture of a key on it, as you can see right there. So I don't know, and it says the guy, let me see on this thing. This guy's Jimmy Noble. Who's freaking Jimmy Noble? Anyway, it has a picture of a key on it, so yeah. I'm gonna check this thing out. I think my dad's here. Okay, yeah, you guys, it's the key. I got a Honeywell key, I think, too. Dang it, I hate just ripping open stuff. It feels so bad. Okay, where is this key? What? They imprinted it to the thing? I can't show you guys this, but because it's got all the phone number and stuff on there. Okay. I got the key. Yes, it's simplex B key. There's simplex B key. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna turn it in the other way. Yes, it does work. Okay, let's pull this thing. Yes! I first pulled. This is guys.